Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A80, Samsung's new upper mid-range flagship, and having a quick hands-on play with it, I can't help but wonder why there seems to be so much more innovation here than on their flagship S10 phones. The A80's main focus is on the screen and the cameras, and it's Samsung's first phone to offer a completely edge-to-edge display. It's got a 6.7-inch infinity display, with no notches, no hole punches, just a big, uninterrupted AMOLED screen which looks great. So that's pretty cool by itself, but the A80 also comes with a flipping camera. In another first for Samsung, we get a sliding pop-out camera that actually reverses the main rear-facing cameras to face you, so there's no separate selfie cam. And this means you get the benefit of the three main cameras rather than the usual one. You get a 48 megapixel f2 main lens, an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens, and a time-of-flight 3D depth lens for live focus in photos and even video. I mean, aside from the A80, only the upcoming flagship S10 5G offers one of these. So Samsung are pushing their era of live marketing as they see more people wanting to share live video and being creative on the go. And I suppose with the A80, it does make sense that if you use the better rear-facing cameras, then you'll probably get better results. Specs-wise, there's 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of built-in storage, and it uses an octa-core processor, although in some regions I believe it'll use the new Snapdragon 730. There's a 3700 mAh battery, which is okay, but the cheaper A70 has a much more impressive 4500 mAh battery. But as that model misses out on the cool pop-up rotating camera, that's likely where they've been able to fit in the bigger battery. They should both charge pretty quickly though, thanks to the 25-watt super fast charger. The A80 also comes with an in-screen optical fingerprint reader, but unfortunately it was disabled on these demo units, so I'll test that properly in my full review. Now, I don't want to upset anyone, but unfortunately there's no Bixby button on the A80, or actually any of the new A-series phones, so I'm afraid you won't be able to accidentally activate Bixby anymore by pressing the button. Don't worry, Bixby isn't dead though, you can still access the assistant through the software. So then, downsides of the A80. Well, there's no expandable storage, and the headphone jack is finally no more. After being one of the headphone holdouts, Samsung is finally caving in. And I also did find the palm rejection a bit iffy, and with the screen being so close to the edge sometimes, I had to readjust my grip before I could actually interact with the screen. And unfortunately, the compromise of this fancy new sliding camera on the A80 is that it's forfeited any sort of IP rating, so there's big questions about just how robust this will be over time, and what happens if you get grit or sand in the mechanism. Again, I'll test this out in my full review. The A80 will come in gold, white, and a fingerprint magnet black, and is available from the 29th of May. Early pricing indicates it'll be around 650 euros, which means it will make for an interesting comparison with the Galaxy S10e. I also got a quick hands-on with the new A70, which lacks the reversible pop-up camera, so the notch is back, but otherwise it still feels like a very solid, if a bit less remarkable phone. We also get a new Galaxy A10, A20e, A40, and A50. There's definitely no shortage of Galaxies this year. So that's just a quick look at the new Samsung Galaxy A80 with its infinity edge full view screen and that really cool reversible flipping camera. Let me know what you make of the A80 in the comments and whether you go for this or maybe the S10e. Thank you so much for watching guys, hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time right here on the Tech Chap.